In this video, I'll be showing you a very useful tutorial on how to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Photos app in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start on the uninstallation of the Microsoft Photos app on your Windows 11. So how we can do so, here at the button search bar, please type for PowerShell. Once you've typed it, please wait until you can get to see a best matched here. And once it's here, please click on Run as Administrator. So if it happened that you have faced an error like your Microsoft Photos is not working well, so I would suggest to uninstall but reinstall that later, okay? So just have to uninstall it and then reinstall a new one, and in that way you would be able to fix the problem for you, okay? So from here, you would be able to see a command text at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. And once you have copied it, please paste it here, okay? And what it is, get dash or hyphen apex package space Microsoft.Windows.Photos, then assign, then space remove dash or hyphen apex package, then hit the enter key, and in that way wait for a few minutes, and in that way you would be able to uninstall the Microsoft Photos, okay? Once you have done this step, you need to bring up your Microsoft Store, and here please type for Photos, and you will get to see a first result, which is Microsoft Photos. So click on it and hit the enter key, and in that way you would be navigated there, okay? Here all you need to do is you need to click on this blue button here which contains the get option. In my case, it marked here open because I'm not uninstalling my Microsoft Photos because it's working well, okay? And I don't have the need to reinstall it again. But in your case, if you would like to uninstall that and reinstall a new one, since you have faced an error like it's not responding well or it's not functioning well, then it will mark here get, okay? So click on the get here, okay? It will mark here get since you have uninstalled it earlier on this tab, okay? So click on get, and in that way, please wait until the downloading process would be finished, and once it's done, it would be installed here in the Windows, and you can now use that newly Microsoft Photos installed here in your Windows 11, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.